हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर अंजलि दहिया. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन. इंट्रोडक्शन. In our daily life, we come across many situations where we need to compare two quantities of same kind. For example, Manju spent rupees 80 in the fair and Sanju spent rupees 40 in the fair. The two ways of comparing the expenditure of the two girls are: first, Manju spent rupees 40 more than Sanju. This is comparison by difference. Second, Manju spent double the amount that Sanju had spent. This is comparison by division. The comparison by division is commonly known as the ratio. Now, ratio. The ratio compares the two quantities in terms of how many times is one quantity of the other. In general, if A and B are two quantities of same kind, then the fraction A upon B is called ratio. It is written as A is to B, which is read as A is to B. In A is to B, A is known as antecedent and B is known as consequent. So, A ratio B. A ratio B. A is antecedent and this is the ratio and B is the consequent. Usually the ratio is expressed in its simplest form or lowest form, that is A and B should be co-primes. Now, example. First, the ratio of rupees 10 to rupees 100. 10 to 100. So, 10 upon 100, 0 से 0 cancel, that is 1 upon 10, that is 1 is to 10. Second, the ratio of 24 kg to 78 kg, that is 24 upon 78. 6 से इनको cancel किया, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, that is 4 is to 13. Now, properties of ratios. Property 1, ratio exists only when two quantities are of the same unit. For example, there is no ratio between rupees 30 to 180 meter. Now, property 2, sometimes the quantities of same kind may be expressed in different units. Then, the quantities must be converted into same units. Usually, the bigger unit is converted into smaller units. For example, if the height of Manoj is 1 meter and the height of Tina is 70 centimeter. Then first convert 1 meter into centimeter. That is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. The ratio of their heights is 100 upon 70. That is 10 upon 7 or 10 is to 7. Now property 3. Ratio begin a fraction has no units. For example, the ratio of 10 centimeter to 20 centimeter, that is 10 by 20 is 1 upon 2 or 1 is to 2. Now property 4. If the order of quantities of ratio changes, then the ratio also changes. For example, 3 is to 4 is different from 4 is to 3. Now property 5. The ratio does not change if both the numerator and denominator are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. For example, 4 is to 6, 4 by 6, both are multiplied by 3, that becomes 12 by 18. So, 4 is to 6 is equals to 12 by 18. Or 4 is to 6 is, both is divided by 2, that is 2 by 3. So, 4 is to 6 is also equals to 2 is to 3. Now, next is equivalent ratios. Two ratios are equivalent if the fraction corresponding to them are equal. For example, 7 is to 14 and 8 is to 16 are equivalent ratios since the fraction of each ratio is 1 is to 2. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. That is 1 upon 2. Now, keep in mind, equivalent ratios can be obtained by multiplying or dividing each term of the ratio by the same non-zero number. Now, next is comparison of ratios. To compare two given ratios, first convert the ratios in the form of fraction in their simplest form, then convert these fractions into like fractions and then compare. For example, consider two ratios 4 is to 7 and 5 is to 8. We have 4 is to 7 is 4 by 7, 5 is to 8 is 5 by 8. Now LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. अब दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को 56 बनाना है. Now 4 by 7 multiplied by 8. So it becomes 32 by 56. 5 by 8 is multiplied by 7. That becomes 35 by 56. Now they become like ratios or like fractions. Clearly 32 by 56 is less than 35 by 56, as 32 is less than 35, or you can say 4 by 7 is less than 5 by 8, or 4:7 is less than 5:8. Now division of a quantity in a given ratio. Let x be the quantity which is to be divided in the ratio of A:B. Then first part, A:B, A upon A plus B means ratio का sum multiply by जो भी quantity को divide करना है, that is x. And second is B upon A plus B. ये first का part है A का, A upon A plus B into x, and second part is B upon A plus B into x. Solved examples. Find the ratio of each of the following in their simplest form. A is 30 and 15. Solution करते हैं. Ratio of 30 to 15 is 30 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. That is 2 upon 1 or 2:1. Now B is 8 milliliter and 10 liters. B part. We know that एक मिलीलीटर है, एक लीटर है, तो दोनों को मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. वी नो दैट 1 लीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मिलीलीटर, तो 10 लीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 10,000 मिलीलीटर. नाउ रेशियो ऑफ 8 मिलीलीटर टू 10,000 मिलीलीटर इज 8 by 10,000 is equals to 1 upon 1250 or 1:1250. Now C is 10 months and 2 years. एक months है, एक years है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. तो 2 years is 2 into 12 is equals to 24 months. Ratio of 10 months to 2 years is 10 by 24. It becomes 5 by 12 or 5:12. Now next example. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to the number of students liking tennis. Solution करते हैं. Total number of students कितने हैं हमारे पास? 30. Number of students that like football is 6. Number of students that like cricket is 12. Number of students that like tennis. टेनिस कितने हैं? टोटल स्टूडेंट में से फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट वाले स्टूडेंट्स को माइनस कर दो, दैट इज 18. 30 minus 18 is equals to 12. Now A part, ratio of the number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. Football 6 और tennis 12, that is 6 upon 12, that is 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 1 upon 2 or 1:2. Now B is ratio of number of students liking cricket to total number of students. Cricket 12 or total is 30, that is 12 by 30 is 2 by 5 or 2:5. Now next example. Find the 3 equivalent ratios of 2:3. Solution करते हैं. On multiplying each term of ratio by the same non-zero numbers we get. Fraction में convert किया, 2 by 3 multiply by 2 is 4 by 6, multiply by 3 is 6 by 9 and multiply by 4 is 8 by 12. Hence, 3 equivalent ratios of 2:3 are 4:6, 6:9 and 8:12. Now next example. A goldsmith mixes gold and copper in the ratio of 5:8. Another goldsmith mixes these in the ratio of 7:2. Which quality is better? Solution करते हैं. 5:8 is 5 by 8 and 7:2 is 7 by 2. Now LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. तो दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को 8 बनाएंगे. 5 by 8 is already 8, तो multiply by 1, 5 by 8. 7 by 2 is multiplied by 4 is 28 by 8. Clearly 28 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Or 7 by 2 is greater than 5 by 8. So 7:2 is greater than 5 by 8 or 5:8. Hence second quality is better. Now next example. Write 3:4, 2:3 and 5:6 in ascending order. Solution करते हैं. सबको हमने fractions में convert किया. 3 by 4, 2/3 and 5/6. Now LCM of 4, 3 and 6 is 12. अब सभी के डिनोमिनेटर को 12 बनाना है. फर्स्ट वाले में 4 है, 4 को 3 से किया 9/12, 2/3, 3 को 4 से किया 8/12 and 6 को 2 से किया, that is 10/12. Now 8/12 is less than 9/12 is less than 10/12, or 2/3 is less than 3/4 is less than 5/6. Hence the ascending order is 2:3, 3:4, 5:6. Now next example. Divide rupees 1250 between Sohan and Mohan in the ratio of 3:2. Solution करते हैं. Here the two terms of ratios is 3:2 are 3 and 2. तो इन दोनों को सम करना है. Sum of these terms is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. नाउ सोहन का शेयर, सोहन पहले है तो सोहन का शेयर है 3 अपॉन सम ऑफ रेशियोज मल्टीप्लाई बाय टोटल कितना है 1250. 1250 को क्या करना है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. तो यहां से हमने 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 5 25. 250 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इज 750 इज द रेशियो और शेयर ऑफ सोहन. मोहन का शेयर 2/5 क्योंकि 2 है उसका रेशियो 2/5 इंटू 1250. अगेन इट इज 250 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू ₹500. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रपोर्शन. A proportion is an equation with equal ratios on both sides. In other words, we can say that the equality of two ratios is called proportion. The symbol this 4 times ratio ऐसे is used for proportionately. Generally, the 4 terms A, B, C and D are in proportion. That is A ratio B proportion to C ratio D. If A ratio B is equals to C ratio D, or A upon B is equals to C upon D, or AD means cross multiply. AD is equals to BC. Here A is the first term, B is the second term, C is the third term and D is the fourth term. The first and fourth term are called extremes means बाहर की, and the second and third terms are called means बीच की. Thus product of extreme is equals to product of means. Now keep in mind, to check a proportion between two ratios, their cross products must be equal. For example, consider two ratios 20:50 and 60:150. Now product of extreme, that is 20:150 is equals to product of means, that is 50:60. Both is equals to 3000. So 20:50 and 60:150 are in proportion. Now continue proportion. In a proportion, if the second and the third term are equal, then the proportion is called continued proportion. For example, if 2:4 proportion 4:8, then we say 2, 4 and 8 are in continued proportion. Keep in mind, if A, B and C are in continued proportion, then B is called mean proportion to A and C is called the third proportional. Thus B square is equals to AC. Solved examples. Example करते हैं. Check whether the ratios 18:10 and 9:6 are in proportion or not. Solution करते हैं. 18:10 is 8/10. That is equals to 9/5. किस में कर लिया? Simplest form में. 9:6 is 9/6. That is equals to 3/2. Now product of extreme, that is 9 into 2 is 18, and product of means is equals to 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Since 18 is not equals to 15, that is the product of extreme is not equal to the product of means, so they are not in proportion. Now next example. The first, second and fourth term of a proportion are 5, 15 and 90 respectively. Find the third term. Solution करते हैं. Let the third term of the proportion be x. Then 5:15 proportionate to x is to 90. Now product of means is equals to product of extremes. Means is 15 into x and extremes means 5 into 90. तो x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे 15 को अपॉन में 5 3 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9, 30. 30 is the answer. Hence the third term is 30. Now next example. Farhan drives his car at a constant speed of 15 km per 10 minutes. How long will he take to cover 45 kilometers? Solution करते हैं इसका. Let Farhan will take x minutes to cover 45 kilometer. Then 15:10. 15 kilometer 10 minutes में और 45 किलोमीटर x मिनट में प्रोपोर्शन में हो गया. नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम इज इक्वल्स टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 15 इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 10 इंटू 45. x इज इक्वल्स टू 15 नीचे आ जाएगा, 15 3 जा 45, 10 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 30 मिनट्स. Hence Farhan will take 30 minutes to cover 45 kilometer. Now next example. If 25, 35 and x are in continued proportion, find the value of x. Solution करते हैं. Since 25, 35 and x are in continued proportion, so 25, 35, 35 and x are in proportion. That is 25 is to 35 proportionate to 35 is to x. That is 25x. Product of extreme is equals to product of means. That is 35 into 35. तो x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, 25 को से डिवाइड करेंगे, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 49. Hence the value of x is 49. Now next example. Find the mean proportional between 9 and 16. Solution करते हैं. Let x be the mean proportional between 9 and 16. Then 9 is to x proportionate to x is to 16. Or x into x is equals to 9 into 16. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. So x square is equals to 9 into 16, that is equals to 144 and 144 is the square of 12. So square से square cancel, x की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 12. Hence the mean proportional between 9 and 16 is 12. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is unitary method. A method in which the value of one unit is first obtained to find the value of the required number of units is called the unitary method. The simple rules used in this method are: first, to get more we multiply, to get less we divide. Examples करते हैं. If 5 notebooks cost ₹45, how much would 8 notebooks cost? Solution करते हैं. हमें दे रखा है cost of 5 notebooks, that is 45 rupees. Cost of 1 notebook कम की करनी है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Less books, less cost. We have to divide 45 divided by 5, that is 9 rupees. Now cost of 8 notebooks, more books, more cost. So we have to multiply. 9 into 8 is equals to 72. Hence the cost of 8 notebooks is rupees 72. Now next example. A transport company charges rupees 18,000 to carry 25 tons of weight. What will it charge to carry 750 kilogram of weight? Solution करते हैं इसका. We know that 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilogram. तो cost of carrying 25,000 kilogram of weight is rupees 18,000. Cost of carrying 1 kilogram weight, less weight, less cost, that is 18,000 divided by 25,000. And cost of carry 750 kilogram, more weight, more cost. We have to multiply, that is multiplied by 750. Cross multiply सारा किया. 18 into 3 is 54, that is 540. Hence the cost of carrying 750 kilogram of weight is rupees 540. Now next example. 12 men can reap a field in 25 days. In how many days can 20 men reap the same field? Solution करते हैं. Clearly less men will take more days and more men will take less days. 12 men can reap the field in 25 days. So 1 man can reap the field. Less men, more days. एक आदमी ज्यादा दिन लेगा, that is 25 into 12 days. Now 20 men can reap the field. अब 20 men, more men, less days. We have to divide. So it is becomes 15 days. Hence 20 men can reap the field in 15 days. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.